Hello everyone, I am Amik Khan, currently pursuing BLLB from Vivekanand College of Law, Aligarh, and I am currently legal intern at Lexis and Company law firm. So my presentation topic is issues and problems faced by women in India. So let's start the topic. India is a country where women are given the status of goddess. We all know that India is a country where women given the status of goddess. However, the problem they have to face just show the opposite of this concept. On hand, they worship them as goddesses, and the other, they abuse them and endlessly and confess inferior them. So, India women always had some problem or the other to face in society. People evolved and so did the problems. They did go away but changed from one to another. We need to realize these problems and act on them too fast to help our country thrive. Problem faced by women in India. So, when in the early days there were several issues like the sati system, no widow remarriage, Devdasi system, and more. While most of them are not prevalent now, there are new issues that women face in India. They may be not the same, but they are still serve as the early ones. They hinder the growth of a country and make the women feel inferior. Firstly, violence against women is a very grave issue faced by women in India. It is happening almost every day in various forms. It is happening almost every day in various forms. People turn a blind eye to it instead of doing something. Domestic violence happens more often than you think. Further, there is further there is also dowry related harassment, marital rape, genital mutilation, and more. Next up, we also have the issues of gender discrimination. That's the major problem women's faced in India. Women's faced problem. That's the major problem women faced in India. Women are not considered equal to men. They face discrimination in almost every place, whether at the workplace or at home. Even the little girls became a victim of this discrimination. The patriarchy dictates a woman's life unjustly. Moreover, there is a lack of female education and the gender pay gap. Women in rural areas are still denied education for being a female. Similarly, women do not get equal pay as men for doing the same work. On top of that, they also have faced workplace harassment and exploitation. There are some ways to tackle these issues. We must all come together as one to fight these issues faced by women in India. Every citizen and government must try to make it a safe place for women to be in. They must make a more stringent laws against people who commit crime against women. They must also be implemented properly to ensure everyone takes them seriously. Furthermore, opportunities must be provided equally for men and women. In every field, we must encourage women to give it their best, and it does not matter whether it is the medical field or sport field opportunities must be equal. Therefore, each one of us must be ready for that women as equal counterparts. We must help them at every stage and more than that empowerment them to make their own decisions. After that, these issues can be eliminated as women need not face discrimination in the name of gender. So that's the major problem. That's the major problem that every woman faced in India. So I request to all of you, those who hear that, remove all the issues that please remove all the major issues that women faced in India. And if you have any question, so please mention in the comment box. Thank you and have a nice day. And this video is not for any promotion etc etc. This video is only for education purpose. So thank you and have a nice day.